Hold on a second. Alright, this is Marshall, and he's going to show us the Rubik Cube. Go ahead, Marshall. Wow. You got to teach me how to do this. "33 seconds so far." Can you do this in less than a minute, Marshall?
Have one time before.
Okay. 41 seconds. 48 seconds. 52. What? To go menus? Oh, do we have any more? We're out?
I think so.
Oh, okay. I have to make some more then. I don't think there's any more then. We usually put them all out here. Check in the 3 drawers down here if we don't have any. Awesome. Ta-da! Good job. Good job, Marshall.